We did this metal building, the structure only. There's coolers and it's already being used for this gas station. So we're actually gonna walk in and just see the whole turnout of this project that we did. Welcome backpack. This is Adbeel from WolfSteel Buildings. And behind here is a gas station. We're here in Heidenheimer, LI grocery and gas station. So if you're in the area, come and support local. If you've been watching our channel, you should remember this building. We did this metal building, the structure only. There's coolers and it's already being used for this gas station. So we're actually gonna walk in and just see the whole turnout of this project that we did. So if you wanna check out actually we have the process, how we constructed this building, and also the final walkthrough of this project before everything else. The finish out, we'll have the links in the description. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to be visiting a lot of our existing clients, see how they finish their homes, how they finish a lot of their projects, and kind of show you guys some ideas of what you can do. So if you remember, this one was a 35 by 35 metal building. It was there was an existing gas station here, and that also had a little bit of a remodel. So kind of to match with this one, you can see some of the wood accents and it's been stained. So we did the metal building and the cedar posts that are holding this lean-to connection to our building. So we did the cedar posts. Let's check out what they've done so far. So we do offer the cedar post work. So we actually put them on our lean-tos. You can ask for those, we can definitely do that. You can see here they came in with some wood and bolted it up to the panels. These are like 5/8, but overall it looks really nice. They trimmed around our doors or our window frames, because this is our J trim. So they basically just trimmed around it to give it that wood accent. And they also added this veneer. So we actually do offer veneer work now. So if it's something you're interested in, we can definitely do it. We did not do this work, but it looks pretty good. So, and if you check out our video, we did not install these windows. They did bring these commercial windows at a later date. If you're building a home, or if you're building like something commercial like this, sometimes you don't want our standard windows or standard doors. You can actually ask us and we can install your windows, install your doors that you pick of your choosing. Because for example, a forever home, a lot of times the windows are so many options, so many colors, so many sizes. There's just a lot of options. It's kind of easier if you kind of pick your own and let us know, and we install them for you. So that's exactly what happened here. We actually just did the frame out. We did not install these windows, but we could have. But the contractor we partnered up with did the finish out and put those windows. So, but just throwing the idea of what we can and can't do. Check out the electric. So they did do some lighting here, and you can see how they ran those conduits, which looks pretty clean. Now let's check out the inside, how it's been finished. So now let's walk in. You can see they already added, this actually was added. Let's walk in now. Go ahead, ma'am. So check this in, this was an existing building and now here's the connection that happened here. So as you can see, the wood accents were continued inside. So it's got that accent of like the wood on the outside as well as the inside. Well, it is the weekend, so I'm kind of feeling like some beers. I wonder how they insulated. I need to ask exactly how this building was insulated. Especially if they have a cooler in here. Super cold in here. So, not exactly sure how you finish out the inside to keep it super cool. But the normal building does feel pretty good actually. Especially with the, now they also did the ceiling tiles. Rendered electrical. I wonder what kind of insulation is on the roof, so hopefully I can get that information and put it in the description below. They're still working on it. They're still trying to get everything situated. You can see here they added the sheetrock but really nice frame mounts around the windows. But it's really cool in here. Now guys, I need to take some snacks back to the team. I know Sarah and Cassandra really want their Red Bulls and they want some candies, I think. I need to check the list, but I got a list of groceries that I got to take back, so supporting local. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I wanted to just stop in and check out how they finished the inside of this metal building. I think that's what actually excites me, is how we're building things that last and building things that are, you know, that you see from the bottom just pop up and make a difference. And so I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.